Hydroponics can be intimidating when you're just starting out. With all the pumps, lights, and setups you see online, it can feel overwhelming. But the truth is, you don't need fancy equipment to grow healthy plants without soil. In this video, I'll show you the easiest hydroponic method for beginners. First, let's quickly cover what hydroponics is. Hydroponics is a way of growing plants without soil, using nutrient-rich water instead. Because nutrients are delivered directly to the roots, plants often grow faster, produce more, and use less water and space compared to regular gardening. There are several types of hydroponic systems you'll see online, but not all of them are beginner-friendly. Deep water culture, or what the cool kids call it, DWC, keeps plant roots submerged in nutrient solution with oxygen supplied by an air pump. It works well and gives fast growth, but requires pumps, tubing, and more monitoring, so it's a bit more complex and costly for beginners. Nutrient film technique, NFT, uses a thin stream of water running through sloped channels to feed the roots. It's effective, but the setup has to be precise, and if the pump fails, roots can dry out quickly, so it's better suited for experienced growers. Aeroponics mists plant roots with nutrient solution. While it produces very fast growth, it's also the most technical and expensive option. Even a short power outage can kill the plants, making it risky for someone new to hydroponics. So while these systems are effective, they are not the easiest place to start. That's where the crack key method comes in. The crack key method is the simplest hydroponic system because it requires no pumps, electricity, or moving parts. All you need is a container of nutrient solution, a lid, and a net cup to hold your plant. As the plant grows, it drinks the water, and the water level naturally drops. This creates an air gap, so the roots can get both oxygen and nutrients, meaning the system balances itself with almost no effort for you. For crops like lettuce, spinach, and basil, the crack key method can take you from seedling to harvest with almost no intervention. Just fill a container with nutrient solution, place your plant in the net cup with a growing medium like rock wool or perlite, and let it grow. You might only need to check the water once or twice before harvest. It's also very affordable. You can use mason jars, storage bins, or buckets to build a system in minutes. Because there are no moving parts, there's very little that can go wrong, making it one of the least stressful ways to learn hydroponics. Once you are comfortable, you can scale up with larger containers or try growing different crops. Many people even use crack key as a stepping stone before moving on to more advanced systems. If you're new to hydroponics, this is the perfect place to start. It's quick, inexpensive, and gives you the satisfaction of growing fresh food at home without the added complexity. Start with something simple like lettuce or basil in a jar, and you'll see just how easy hydroponics can be.